Yeah, of course. Yeah.
You know
That's
that.
good, man.
Yeah.
That's good. All right, sweet. That's it for me then.
Yeah, that's from my side. I'll
Yeah.
send
So
it to.
you send the offer, and then we can accept it, and we can keep moving forward. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Thanks
Thank
so much.
thank
All
you.
right.
Bye.
Keep in. All right. Yes, I can hear you. How you doing, mate? You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Nice to see you. Uh, I invite you meeting because it help both for understanding our goal and plan and how can we start our work. So it will save our time and we can do good.
Yeah, my name is Daniel. I'm from London. What about you?
Yeah, I'm Abu Hussain from Bangladesh.
Oh, nice, Bangladesh. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, but
But yeah, so the thing is, I just built a Shopify store. I had it built from someone, and they built it. They gave it to me. Now I purchased a domain for it, and now the website is up. But the next step is marketing, which I don't
yes,
really know. So, came for you to help.
yeah, that's why I invite you in meeting so that we can both understand our goal and requirement. And if I understand
Yes.
requirement properly, I can give you my plan properly, and we can do good. And it will save time for both.
Yeah, of
That's why
course.
I
The
invite
same
you
time,
in
yeah.
Zoom.
Rather than going back and forth.
Okay.
Yes.
So you did not run ads before, and you have no idea how to run ads, right?
Yeah, no, I have
Yeah,
not ran
yeah.
ads before.
Because so to run ads, first of all, we need something. Number
Right.
one is business manager.
Business manager, yeah.
Business manager. Number two is ad account. Number three,
Ad account.
Pixel. Pixel.
Very well.
It's called Facebook Pixel. Without Pixel,
Okay.
if we run ads, we cannot track our customer data. And
Oh,
without
Pixel, yeah.
yes,
Okay.
Facebook Pixel, we need that. Number four, creatives. Ad creative. We want to show our customer so that our customer feel interested and buy our product. And number
Yeah.
five, a good marketing strategy. And number six, management. So it's step
Yeah.
by step. Though you would never run ads, so I believe you don't have any business manager, you don't have any ad account. You have Pixel? I think no, you don't have Pixel.
Okay, no,
Yes, you don't
nothing
have
at the
nothing.
moment. Just the website
Also
itself.
you don't have any creatives.
Sorry?
You don't have any video creatives or photo creatives.
Whatever's on the website is there. I think it's got like little gifs and that, but I haven't got the videos.
Yeah, we definitely need videos because
Videos, yeah.
right now customer loves video. Video engagement rate is so high. Also,
Yeah.
your video should be interesting, effective, and converting customer converting power. So now, also, can you share me how much is your budget for advertising? Not for me, just for advertising, for marketing. How much you can afford?
Advertising, I'd say about between 150 to 200 pounds, which I probably think is about $250 or something like that.
It's per month or day. Also, you need
So,
Facebook ads and management service. So I am giving like my basic package is just for run ads. I will just
okay.
you have to give everything. I will just run ads properly, and just I
Hmm.
will research 2 or 3 audience for you. My premium package, I will set up your business manager, ad manager, pixel, ad creative, testing, audience research, like A to Z. I will try to my best to do for you. Just you need to
Okay.
help me. What if I need
Okay.
any information? Just you need to help me.
Yeah.
This is
Okay. So, what your premium package is,
okay.
and do send me an offer, of course, for premium package, and I should then close this deal with you. That sound good?
Okay.
Yeah. And
Okay.
then I'm gonna talk to him, and then tomorrow I should be able to accept it, and we should move forward with this.
Oh, okay. Okay. No problem.
Okay?
I will do that.
Or,
Yeah.
calling me and explaining to me. Appreciate that.
Yeah, it's my duty to
Yeah.
teach my clients.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
You know
That's
that.
good, man.
Yeah.
That's good. All right, sweet. That's it for me then.
Yeah, that's from my side. I'll
Yeah.
send
So
it to.
you send the offer and then we can accept it and we can keep moving forward, yeah?
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. Thanks so much.
Thank
All
you.
right.
Bye.
Keep in touch.